Hello, my name is Luke Cottenbrocker, and I'll be giving the executive summary for the aerial imagery analysis for search and rescue. So first, what was the problem that we set out to solve? Well, we worked with this company called Eagle Eye Search, Inc. They're a drone search and rescue company, and they created an anomaly detection system for search and rescue, trying to find people using drones. And the system analyzed color outliers and aerial image frames, but they had a problem. They wanted to improve this detector using object detection. There were cases where false detections were made and false negatives, where we think we see something, but we don't, or maybe we're missing something completely just because we can't rely on color alone. So how did we solve this problem? We use something called Ultralytics YOLO. This is an open source object detection model that's widely used in image analysis. So this is what we used. We use this with a combination of pre-processing, slicing up the image, and zooming into areas of interest. And so we created final two different detection models, a lightweight model that can be used on live video feed but can miss small details, and then a heavyweight model that can be used on extremely high resolution images, but it's too slow for live video feed. So looking at a quick demo here, I'll give you a few seconds to see if you can find the people in this image. All right, if you saw those, good job. There's one person right here and actually one person right here. So these were two people that our system detected. And you can see this is the user interface that we've created. You can see we have a lot of customizable parameters. And this is on our poster board. You can see all of these people that were detected by our model. So if we could expand on this project, I think that we would take our own YOLO object detection model and train it. Because currently we're using a general purpose object detector, but if we train our own YOLO model on aerial images, we may yield better results. I also believe that it would be helpful to perform more field tests. Arizona has an incredibly strict airspace, so it's hard to get out and really test this in the field. So it would be nice to see how our product works from the user's perspective. And finally, we'd like to increase performance just because search and rescue teams may not have access to higher end computers, such as ones we are working with throughout this project. Well, that is all. Thank you so much.